Oh, me too, actually. Power back on the wing. Yeah. Yeah. They're all rolling. Yeah.
I mean, Alexander.
Yeah.
It was
Your layout at our clubhouse. Yeah, that's not good. Well, no, actually, when you Malcolm's very good, you've got to get your head around it. You can't remember. Yeah. For sure.
tea and coffees, I think, going down to
I had no issue with that at all.
Before we go any further, I'll give this to them.
He'll stop on the scissors, so you need to help him throw.
I'm the first one to put my hand up. Very much a lot.
I don't put the standard unit
I hope we'll go
Get it round back to the yard. The lunches are at the Sarah building. Yeah, tell your mate, yeah, I'll tell him when he's.
Oh, bigger than that. HS125s on. That was their version of which is not that long away. It's only on the 4th of June, and it's not that far away either. I don't think they are the first come from the American Air Force Station. That's right, nice to talk to you. See you sleeping on the 4th of June. I'm not sure, mate.
How old was that one?
That would have been in the 1960s. That would have been a Pullman special.
Who did that? Who did it?
See all the table lights? Yeah, tables. Ready for people to come and have dinner? That's all right. Just want to push the chair. Take the layout. Question. Yeah, where'd you get the football as well? That is two kids ago. Yeah, two Hornby. You know the Hornby Greens one? The Ironmongers. They used to have footballs. So I got two of them. The initial one was set so you can have it at kind of level.
Right, okay, and then it's on the so after a certain time, so red, less is red and blue.
It's surprising. Feature.
too slow. I've got onto the North American.
Sorry.
Steam turbine, gas turbine.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
And last week it as well, didn't it?
Yeah, we
I
had.
think it ran for a couple of months and never ran again. But we were at Dean Valley, was about 3 weeks ago.
Oh, right.
They had a bit of a do on there with what they called it Little and Little Cop.
And so, West Coast. I have to admit, I'm not well up on all the American.
I mean,
I'm very spoiled on YouTube.
I mean, there's so much going on this weekend in this area. It's quite honestly a joke. You've got Ramsey, have got a big do on over the weekend.
Oh, I've got to make profit for trade.
Yeah, Saturday. Never. Thank you.
All right.
Favorite layout. But it's a
What's the sound?
Coming down the river, we're over the station up there. Lancashire regiment, green uniform, yellow. Yeah.
Then push the tank. Yeah, that's better moving there.